Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Leica and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, which is great because all we have to do now is to open the settings. So just tap on this arrow here, or you can swipe your finger from the top to the center, and now we've got this bar with additional options. Here we've got the timer, so let's simply tap on it, and in this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So just tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll pick 10 seconds, and as you can see it is set. We've got the timer applied, so now we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on our device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works. As you can see, right now we've got this additional timer, and the whole process was delayed. It is because our device will automatically turn on the night mode or something like that. So we can turn it on just by tapping just by tapping on the switcher, and if this option is crossed out, it means that it was turned off. So this is how it works with the timer. Of course, you can change the countdown, choose 3 seconds, and from now on your device will count down from 3. And as you can see, we do not have this additional delay. And if you'd like to turn off the timer, just tap on the timer again and tap on this crossed out icon. And now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.